Want to crack the intraday trading game? The expert tips and tricks to boost your trades and minimize risk. All in just 3 minutes. Let's get started. Always go for highly liquid stocks that are actively traded with high values. Liquidity ensures you can buy or sell without price manipulation or delays. Examples: think blue chip companies like TCS, Infosys, or HDFC Bank. Stop loss is your best friend. Before entering any trade, set a stop loss to limit your losses. For instance, if you buy a stock at 500, set a stop loss at 490. This way, you protect your capital if the trade goes against you. Remember, the trend is your friend. Don't go against market momentum. Use technical indicators like moving averages and RSI to identify trends and time your entry and exit points. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Use the 1:2 rule. If you risk of 1 rupee, for aim to profit of 2 rupee. This way, even if only half your trades work out, you will still make money. Remember following tips. Practice and start small. Learn more mistakes and never trade with emotions. For more trading hacks, subscribe to Finance Root and turn on notifications. Good luck with your trading journey. See you in the next video.